Well, you can rely on STVT for all your HVAC education needs, but today we're getting to learn a little bit more about the nitty-gritty heating and refrigeration part of it. So here to tell us all about that is Kenneth. Kenneth, you're an instructor here for STVT. Tell us, what are some of the great things about getting your education with STVT?
STVT offers knowledge, experience, hands-on. We mainly teach hands-on to be familiar with the equipment and the instruments.
Now, when we look around here, you don't see the normal classroom. You don't see desks and computers. You see hands-on equipment. So tell us a little bit about how this type of learning really benefits when you get out there into the real world.
When the students go out, they're familiar with their tools, equipments they're going to work with. They're going to know how to do subcool, superheat, and they're going to have the fundamentals with their education they're going to have in the lecture room.
Now, for students that are watching right now, or future students, why should they choose STVT, and what makes them stand out from other universities across Texas?
We have the best equipment in the Valley, and we offer the fundamentals and basics to be successful.
Now, as an instructor yourself, tell us a little bit about what it means for you to be basically setting up our future HVAC leaders in the community.
Well, once they take the 10-month program and they finish, they get the EPA that allows them to get their refrigeration purchase. Then they're qualified to work with their the trainers and new contractors. And after that, I mean, whatever they learn here, they can apply on the field.
Well, Kenneth, that sounds amazing, but what are some things that students will take away after getting an education here with STVT?
Well, they'll be fully trained in ventilation, how to assemble ductboard, which is necessary for residential and commercial. They also, as I mentioned before, they get their EPA training. After that, they get their certificate, and that's what contractor wants on the field.
Well, that sounds like an amazing time for students who are wanting to start their education. Is there anything else you want the students to know before we go?
Yeah, come out, apply, and sign up for STVT. We're the best in the Valley.
There you guys have it. If you're ready to sign up today, make sure you call the number on your screen or sign up with admissions online. It's never too late to get your education started with STVT. For Take 5, I'm Brandon Rualcaba. Catch you guys next time.